Hello friends, welcome to the Prodhut channel. In today's video let's explore how to buy the best 40 inches smart TV in India. A smart TV can be a good option for a digital change within your home, but there are certain things that everyone should consider, and one of them is its size. The size of the TV plays an important role rather than any other feature available in the market, and hence when you are buying a 40 inches TV, ensure that it suits your requirements. Along with the size, other parts will go well along with the product, and let us discuss those features for a clear understanding. We have considered all the options in the market and offered you a brief buying guide on how to buy a perfect 40 inches TV set, but features that make your home similar to a theater. Depending upon these features, explained in simple terms, you can make a final choice on the product that you need to purchase. There are several steps to buy the best 40 inches smart TV in India. Step 1. Reason. When you are purchasing a product within a size of 40 inches, then you should also take care of certain other features to support the main feature. Ranging from the brand quality to the sound, many items need to be checked before making a final choice. Here we have given a list of products that you should consider. Step 2. Product type. A product is divided into multiple types depending upon certain features. For example, sometimes the size is used, but since we have already decided on our size criteria, the TV product can be divided depending upon their display type. There are three types of display on TV. First one is LED TV. This is one of the most basic models in the LED category and popularly known as light-emitting diodes. Even though this is the basic concept, they are more advanced than the LCDs used a decade ago. The clarity of the product is the fact, and the brightness levels can be adjusted depending upon the requirement. LED technology is one of the most advanced features that has been implemented in multiple other products, including basic lights. Second one is QLED TV. This model is popularly known as Quantum TV, since they have an additional layer of quantum dots to the LED screen that makes the picture clearer and bright with the utmost clarity possible. They are well known for providing a good lifespan and suitable for large screen sizes with an average budget. Third one is OLED TV. This model is otherwise known as organic LED TV, and they have certain features that are more advanced than the QLED model. For instance, they provide a good viewing angle and go well along with the cloud technology. Even though the price range is higher, they are suitable for your eye health. This will improve the black level of the TV and utilizes deficient energy for displaying the data in utmost clarity. Things to consider before buying a product. You need to consider many features before purchasing a TV set, and now take a look at them to make a perfect choice. The first feature is brand. The first feature is the brand. Some people go for options like Samsung and LG, while others go for brands that do not have a proper reception in the market. These brands are being chosen because they offer high features for a low price. For example, a branded product with 32-inch screen size and HD resolution will be costlier than a non-branded product with 52 inches screen size and 4K resolution. The difference between the two is not just the price, but also the quality. For example, one brand might offer a good warranty with constant service options available for a low price. But these non-brands cannot provide such features, which make it difficult for you when there is an issue with the quality of the product. So choose a good brand that supports your requirement. The second feature is resolution. Usually the resolution of a product is divided into three categories like Ultra HD, UHD, QHD, and Full HD. Usually people believe that when you are purchasing a product below 40 inches, it will be impossible for you to view the difference between a Full HD and UHD screen. But in reality, regardless of the size, with high dynamic range compatibility, any TV can make a huge difference in screen size. They can either be a cheap model or an advanced model, depending upon the requirement. The resolution can be 2K or 4K, and sometimes you can also choose 8K resolution, which might not offer a different content than the 4K, but they will be useful in the future. So our recommendation for you is to pick a 4K resolution based TV set for this screen size so that the quality of the movie will be perfect. The third feature is operating system. When you are buying a smart TV, the quality of the operating system should also play an important role. Even though they were not considered important in the past, they have been prioritized to ensure streaming services like Netflix and YouTube without hoping for other private streaming services like Fire Stick or Chromecast. These operating systems should allow the TV to interface with multiple applications and support the usage of these features in the upcoming future, even with the upgrades. The fourth feature is connectivity. People normally do not play an important part in the concepts of connections. But in reality, this is the most important and only thing that matters when you bring the TV home. For example, an HDMI port will have the ability to transfer the content from the streaming devices to the TV set with at most to clarity, and having one will not be enough, especially for a gamer. Similarly, it should have also had other connections like optical audio output and USB ports to ensure connections with all of your devices, including the wireless options. If you want to connect your TV to centralization objects, like Amazon Echo, then having an internet or Wi-Fi port will be essential for your TV. The fifth feature is sound quality. When you purchase a TV set, the quality of the sound is determined by the watts. Most TV sets nowadays come with a Dolby surround sound capacity, but even then, certain models fail to do so. These models offer an extra speaker set as a complementary package, which is not required and useless if your TV quality is not good. So when you are purchasing a product, ensure that it has a good sound quality with regular output to rely on your TV, even when there is an issue with the speaker. The sixth feature is curved model or flat. This is also important since cloud technology has been gaining more importance in recent times. If you are interested in buying a perfect curved model TV set, understand that the living room environment should also support such models. The lighting and viewing angles should be perfect for these TV sets. So our suggestion is to go for a flat TV, since they are more environmentally friendly and suitable for any location. So select each feature, depending upon your requirement. Things to avoid before buying a product. While we have mentioned the things you should know by purchasing a TV, certain things need to be avoided. Here we have also explained them in detail to ensure a secured purchase. The first one is LCD. Even though this is still an option in certain markets and brands, they are mostly out of the current trend and might lose their value in the upcoming years. So if you choose this product, remember that getting a good service during repair might be low due to the lack of product data. The second one is HDMI 2.1 port. This is a feature that most people considered, including while purchasing a TV set. It might seem more useful, but unless you are a gamer, this feature is useless. So it's not just this particular feature, but other features might not be useful to you, especially with the size of the TV you are purchasing. Make a wise option and choose a product that has the required features. All the features that we have mentioned are useful in selecting a suitable TV with a 40-inch screen size. But along with that, we also have mentioned certain examples from which you can personally choose a product for yourself or go with the features. Each TV set is unique, with features that might not be available in any other brand. So your requirements are the ones that matter the most, and the final choice should be based upon your decision. Do not sell yourself short for heavy brands and choose a product with good features and worth your money. Based on the above factors, we are recommending the best products in India. The first product in this list is Kodak 108 cm 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV. This product comes with a 4K resolution and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Let us see the features of this product. It has a high-quality contrast ratio and quality. It comes with an LED screen for clarity and low budget. It comes with a warranty. The second product in this list is TCL Full HD Certified Android Smart LED TV. This product comes with a Full HD resolution and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Let us see the features of this product. It offers a 360-degree viewing angle with utmost clarity. It has powerful connectivity with good image flow. It has HDMI and USB ports with surround sound. The third product in this list is VW HD Ready Smart LED TV. This product comes with a 60 Hz refresh rate, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Let us see the features of this product. It has a high-quality smart TV with HD clarity. It allows multi-channel streaming and screen sharing. Check the description box to know the price of the recommended products. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.